Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here with one of the most famous bands of India, the Great Eka Band. And it's my privilege to be here with these guys and they're interviewing. I'm very privileged to have this short question answer session with you, sir. I would like to ask you all one simple question.
As long as it's not a naughty question?
No, sir, it's not a naughty question at all. It's just that...
Hoping it is.
No. It's just that, how are you feeling after being here in CGC? I mean, like, how's your first experience?
It's completely love at first sight. I think everything about the experience, right from the moment that we entered the college, the entire energy is incredible, man. Loved the energy of the show. Thank you so much to every single person who's behind this, the administration, the organizing committee, and most importantly, the students. Love you guys.
Sir, I would like to know about what you like the most about the college, what you like the most which is there inside the college.
Can I be honest?
Yeah, sure.
I think
I'm pretty sure about your answer.
I think so. See, we are guys, right? So we love the girls here. Absolutely awesome, very pretty, fantastic, disciplined, and they were really nice. And we couldn't get to interact with the boys much because they were very, very far away. But we had such a blast of a time because the audience was absolutely awesome. That's what we loved the most about this college.
Sir, so you might have done shows in different colleges, different universities. Was it a bit different from other places what you did? Or how was the crowd you faced?
I was saying, when I entered the campus, I was just telling Hitesh, because me and Hitesh used to play formerly in a band called Euphoria, and Lokesh joined us later. But that's a long time back. And we have played a lot of shows, in that place. But this is the biggest crowd, man. When we entered the campus, that crowd was so huge. I was just telling, Ricky, man, this is one of the... I was just reconfirming, and I don't know, is it? Is it, bro? Is it the biggest
probably
crowd?
not the biggest, but we've done, even Eka has done, bro, not just Euphoria.
Okay.
Eka has done
I know that,
17,000 plus people. So we've done bigger. It looked larger because it was smaller
spread
area.
out everywhere.
Yeah.
Spread out everywhere.
So, sir, we are currently having our fest, our techno-cultural fest, that's Parivartan 2K16. So, what are your views about our cultural fest which has been going on?
Has it been a parivartan?
Kind of. I can see the change. Me being a fresher, I've absolutely seen the change. It is a very big crowd to interact with.
The biggest change for you guys is that your taste has evolved with time because you've gotten a band like Eka.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
So I wish you guys all the very best. I hope we keep coming back again and again and again. And I hope that even once you guys pass out of college, we do a lot of carpet shows. We play all over the country and outside. So I hope with the students, we continue to be Eka with you over a period of time. So good luck, guys.
So, sir, one final question that I would like to ask you all, that we have got such a huge talent out here. We have got such a big crowd. Any last message for all our CGCians which will be helpful for them also to make their future, as well as it will be provocating and motivating for them?
If you ask me, from my point of view, and that's always been my mantra, be yourself no matter what they say. Be yourself no matter what they say. Just be yourself.
The people that we saw today, you guys are going to be the future leaders of our country.
Amen.
So what we have a song called Chalte Jana, and the message of that song is that may you always have the spirit to dream, to pursue, to go higher and higher and achieve all that you want to. Never give up following your dreams, and you will achieve whatever you want to in life. So that is our message.
On a closing note, there's a song that we wrote on similar lines that we apply in our daily lives, and I hope the message of that goes out to you. It says, big show, small show, doesn't matter, here we go. नए दोस्त बनाएंगे, अपने गाने गाएंगे. हम है एका, हम है एका. So that's something you need to apply in your lives for every opportunity that you get. And on that note, Thank you so much for having us here. Absolutely love you guys.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for being registering an auspicious presence out here. We are
Okay,
thankful
we
to
got
you.
One last thing before we go, which we
Yes,
didn't
sir,
get
sure.
to do during the show. It goes something like this. When Aka's at CGC, you groove rock in full-on musty. CGC, CGC. Say
Sing it.
CGC.
CGC.
Say CGC.
CGC.
So which is the number one? Call is that rules.
CGC. CGC.
Say which is the number one? Call is that rules.
CGC. CGC.
Where the girls are pretty and the guys are cool.
I agree.
So which is the number one? Call is that rules.
CGC.
अब energy के साथ.
Say I love
CGC.
and we love
CGC.
the one that rules.
CGC.
The number one.
CGC.
I love
CGC.
and we love
CGC.
the one that rules.
CGC.
The number one.
CGC. All right. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so very much. We hope that you guys keep coming in future and we get to see such lot more of shows from you.
Amen.
Amen.